why I'm looking so pink in the camera. This lady was legit not allowing me to shoot. On purpose, she's walking so slowly in front of the mirror every time I was recording. Hi beautiful souls, a very warm welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog, but this vlog is really special. This is my birthday vlog and I'm really excited. So I'm going to turn 23. Oh my god, I'm going to turn 23. So in this whole vlog you're going to hear 23 many times, I guess. So without talking much, let's see. I personally have not planned anything for my birthday. My sister is having some plans. She's going on planning, shopping. I don't know. So in the afternoon, I went for shopping, and here's the footage. My basic agenda for shopping was footwear, which I successfully achieved. I went ahead, I bought a few footwear. So I didn't go to the mall specifically, I just went to the shops close by, because due to the COVID situation I don't want to go to more places or fall sick, because my second dose is due. So it is 10 o'clock and it is dinner break, but I'm still excited and happy that I'm going to turn 23 and tomorrow is my birthday. For me, birthday is like balloons, cake, that's it. That's doing the greatest thing. So there is something my mother and my sister is planning, and my father also is involved in that. So there are parcels going on coming which they are picking up, which initially what happens is when a parcel comes, it's always on me like didi parcel aaya, because I'm the one who is paying for all the parcels. So for last 2 weeks, I'm not getting a chance to pay for the parcels. They are only paying the parcel ka paisa, and everything is going from there only. I don't know what is in the parcel. I'm always busy in my shift, because that is the time when the parcels are coming, and I have no pretty good idea about what is happening. So I am kind of excited. I know they are planning for a birthday party. That's the wild guess I am having, and I know that that's only the thing happening. But how is it going to happen is what is for me very special.
Hi guys, this is Bindu. So it's 11:44 timing, and in 10 to 20 minutes it's my sister's birthday. So I've been planning a surprise. It's a midnight surprise. I'll show you what she's doing. So she's busy working over there. I'll show you what the surprise is. I'm gonna surprise her with some cupcakes. So me and my mother have made some cupcakes for my sister. My sister loves cupcakes, especially vanilla and chocolate. So me and my mother have made them. So let's go surprise her. So we'll go. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear. Happy birthday to you. My God bless you.
Sing no, why did you stop?
My God bless you. My God bless you, dear.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me. La 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 la. Oh, the cupcakes are yummy. Like, these are die for. Okay, let me eat one.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Mama.
Happy birthday. This is my and Mama's efforts.
These are yummy, guys. Totally fabulous cakes, yummy. I'll get back to you guys after the wishes. Bye bye. Good morning, you guys. So it's early morning in the 7, so I'm heading ahead for the temple. Before that, I wanted to show my outfit. So you can see the outfit's so pretty and it is gifted by my sister. I am loving it. My mother and sister both bought it for me. I'm very happy. So now let's quickly head to the temple and come back. So we are here at the temple for darshan and हमारा दर्शन हो चुका है, you can see, and let's quickly go home and see what's for breakfast. As soon as I was home, I was served with this delicious hot breakfast, which is my favorite, aloo puri.
So now I'm planning the second surprise for my sister. So I need a little help. So I have called my friend. Hi, Rishika. So we both are gonna do. We already have started. We're gonna show you the rest process. So we have set this canopy for now. So we are gonna continue with the happy birthday process.
Yes, so the update is I have done my makeup. I don't know why it is looking so pink in the camera, but in real life it's not that pink or not that thing because I went and checked in the mirror. It's not looking so pink, but yeah, in the phone it's looking very pink. So it's fine. So now I'm going ahead, clicking some pictures, making few reels, making some content, and then I'll see you back at some party time. No, lunch time. So here is my special lunch. There is chicken biryani, my favorite, and there is some paneer biryani because there are few vegetarians in my home. So for them it's paneer biryani, but I got both. I'm tasting both. So I'm tasting the paneer biryani. So let's take some piece and some biryani. Yum. Super mom. It's so good. So let's dive into chicken biryani, my favorite. I am so in love with chicken biryani. You?
Me too.
Mom, chicken biryani rocks. Even paneer biryani rocks.
I didn't have paneer.
That's your bad fate. But I'm enjoying both. So see you guys after lunch. So it's 4 o'clock and the photo shoot is done. I'm very happy with the pictures. They came out pretty well. My mother made me a virgin mojito, which is awesome. Like, this tastes so well. Thank you, mom. And today's day, this is going a blast. I'm loving it. So in 1 more hour, there is my birthday party. So around 5 to 6, I called few of my sister's friends, and yes, because all of my friends are having night shift, they are not able to come for the party. So I called the kids. Why not? They will enjoy the cake, they'll enjoy the food, and I'll enjoy their company.
Take care.
The celebrations were so good. Batkama celebrations, birthday celebrations all went really well. So I'm left with a little cake. Me, my mom, and my sister, and my father, we three of us are there. We'll share the cake and have it. And there is something special like midnight snacks is happening. So tandoori chicken is cooking in the oven. It's already kept in the oven. I'm waiting for it to cook. So by the time it cooks, like, why not munch and snack a little cake? Because I'm the birthday girl and I did not get the cake yet. Everyone had the cake, everyone are left, all done, dusted. The decorations are the same. I think I'll click few pictures tomorrow again because I did not get that much time to click pictures, because once it was set and I was surprised, everything was like very fast because I had to go for Batkama celebrations also. So I'll see you guys after some time. So our tandoori is ready. Smells fabulous. It's going to go into my stomach, and this is the last thing for my birthday. I'm going to enjoy it, guys. So here I'm going to end the vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you would be notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, keep shining. Bye.